have a moment, and this very second I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm?
Welcome home to IvyRidge Townhomes, located at Cypress Point in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. This is one of Lake Wylie's newest vibrant townhome communities, located right off of Highway 49. Residents in this area can enjoy your private retreat that's surrounded by conveniences of shopping, restaurants, kayaking, and even canoeing. So you also have easy access to Interstate 485 and Interstate 77. Today, we'll be reviewing 3 models. The first being the largest, which is the Carson floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a lot to love. Let's take a look. This way to take a look at this awesome owner suite. You will not believe the space that you'll see. Follow me. There's so much to love. Take a look around.